Look up. On a clear dark night far from city lights, the universe reveals itself. Each point of light is a sun, a star, some larger, brighter and older than our own. They're scattered across a canvas so vast our minds can barely grasp it. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, contains hundreds of billions of stars, and it's just one among billions of galaxies. When you gaze into that darkness, you're not just looking out, you're looking back in time. The light from distant galaxies has traveled for billions of years to reach us. You're seeing echoes of cosmic events that unfolded long ago. This vastness isn't empty, it's filled with wonders that defy our everyday experience. There are worlds of ice and fire stars that collapse into black holes and pulsars flashing like cosmic lighthouses. Nebulae, vast clouds of gas and dust, are the birthplaces of stars. These are the nurseries of the cosmos, where new suns and worlds are forged. On this small blue planet, we look out at it all, driven by curiosity. We build telescopes, launch probes, and listen for signals from the stars. The universe is the ultimate frontier, a place of infinite mystery and possibility. It challenges and inspires us, reminding us there's always more to learn. Every new discovery adds another piece to the puzzle of our existence. Our connection to the cosmos deepens with every glimpse into the unknown. Among the universe's most beautiful objects are nebulae, colossal clouds spanning light years. Some are so vast that light takes centuries to cross them. These are the studios of the cosmos, where gravity and radiation sculpt gas and dust into breathtaking forms. Nebulae are where stars are born. Gravity pulls hydrogen together until nuclear fusion ignites a star is born, shining and shaping its surroundings. The atoms in our bodies were forged in stars born in such nebulae. The vibrant colors we see in telescope images come from different elements. Hydrogen glows red, oxygen blue or green, sulfur orange. Stellar winds and radiation carve out intricate filaments and pillars. When we look at a nebula, we witness the raw process of creation. These clouds are the ancestors of our solar system. They remind us the universe is dynamic, always renewing itself. We are intimately connected to this grand, unfolding story. The nebulae are living proof that we are made of star stuff. Imagine astronomers peering deep into our galaxy, mapping a vast stellar nursery. As images emerge, a shape appears, unexpected, unmistakable. It's a colossal hand, fingers outstretched, reaching through the void. Scientists verify and re-verify the structure is real, spanning dozens of light years. They call it the Hand of Creation, a nebula sculpted by the winds of newborn stars. News spreads worldwide. People everywhere gaze in wonder. For some, it's a sign from a creator, for others, a breathtaking coincidence. But for all, it's a moment of shared awe. The Hand of Creation becomes a new icon for humanity. It forces us to confront deep questions. Is it chance or something more? The nebula offers no easy answers. Instead, it stands as a cosmic Rorschach test, a mirror for our hopes, fears, and search for meaning. In the vastness of space, we find a symbol that unites us in wonder. Humanity has always looked to the skies for answers. Ancient cultures saw patterns in the stars, weaving them into mythologies. The sky was our first map, our first storybook. Our brains are wired to find patterns. Pareidolia makes us see faces in clouds, animals in rock, a man in the moon. This instinct helped our ancestors survive, and it shapes how we see the universe. The discovery of a nebula shaped like a hand taps into this ancient impulse. The hand is a powerful symbol. Creation, power, protection. To see it among the stars feels like a message, a connection across the cosmos. The Hand of Creation bridges myth and science, showing that even in a universe governed by physical laws, there's room for beauty and meaning. Our search for signs in the sky is not just a relic of the past, it's a fundamental part of being human. The universe speaks to us in patterns and we listen. From a scientific perspective, the Hand of Creation is a fascinating object. Its shape results from a complex interplay of physical forces, gravity, stellar winds, and radiation. At its heart, a cluster of massive young stars sculpts the nebula. The fingers are denser regions of gas and dust, resisting erosion. The nebula glows in colors that reveal its chemical makeup. The formation of such a symbolic structure is statistically improbable, a sublime example of cosmic chance. Science explains the how, but not the why. Why this shape? Why now? The mechanism is clear, but meaning is ours to interpret. The Hand of Creation shows the universe can be both understandable and mysterious. It's a reminder that science and wonder can coexist. The Hand of Creation would have a universal emotional impact. For a moment, humanity would be united in wonder. The image becomes a symbol of hope, a reminder we're part of something larger. Its symbolism is deeply personal. Creation, guidance, comfort, or warning. The beauty is that it can mean all these things at once. The discovery would spark creativity in art, music, and literature. The hand of creation would enter our modern mythology. Ultimately, it acts as a cosmic mirror, reflecting our search for meaning and connection. The nebula is just matter and energy, but our perception gives it significance. The true lesson is about ourselves as much as the universe. The hand of creation bridges science and spirituality. Science explains the physical processes, spirituality explores the meaning. Understanding the nebula's formation adds depth to our appreciation. The scientific explanation reveals a different kind of magic, the beauty of natural law. Our emotional response is just as important as data and equations. The hand of creation encourages a holistic view, embracing both inquiry and wonder. We can be scientifically literate and still moved by cosmic mystery. It fosters unity, inspiring awe in scientists, artists, and believers alike. All look at the same object, sharing the same sense of wonder. At the deepest level, both quests spring from our profound curiosity about existence. Let's take a closer look at the hand of creation. The palm glows with ionized gas, hollowed by young, massive stars. Bright knots of gas mark turbulent fronts where stellar winds crash into the cloud. The fingers are dense filaments of dust and gas, silhouetted against the galaxy. Their tips glow, sites where new stars may be forming. The nebula's colors tell a story: red hydrogen, blue-green oxygen, orange sulfur. These are the elements of life, the same that formed our sun and ourselves. A faint halo of starlight gives the hand a ghostly, three-dimensional appearance. The scale is staggering. A journey from palm to fingertip would take thousands of years at light speed. It's a monument to the creative power of the universe. The hand of creation leaves us with more questions than answers. Is it a cosmic coincidence, or does it hint at deeper patterns in the universe? Perhaps it's an example of emergence, order arising from chaos on a grand scale. Does its meaning lie in the object or in our ability to see and be moved by it? Maybe consciousness itself is the true miracle giving the universe significance. The hand of creation offers no final answer, only the invitation to keep wondering. We look up, awed, and keep searching for meaning in the stars.